looking for a powerful cleaning solution without harmful chemicals. Traditional solvent cleaning can be unsafe, costly, and harmful to both operators and the environment. Introducing the Thoroughclean Aqueous cleaning and drying system, a water-based solution designed for safe, efficient, and eco-friendly industrial cleaning. Using advanced Aqueous technology, it effectively removes oil, grease, and contaminants. The multi-stage cleaning process ensures deep and uniform cleaning, followed by an integrated drying system for moisture-free components. Eco-friendly operation, safe for sensitive components, reduced chemical usage, and consistent high-quality output. Upgrade to a cleaner, safer, and smarter process with Thoroughclean, where sustainability meets performance. Visit today or contact us to know more. Call now 9810 065675. Visit to www.thoroughclean.com.